Hey everyone. Okay, why in the heck am I running right now? Well, I'm training for a marathon, but not a marathon of the body. This time, it's gonna be a marathon of the mind. I've crafted something special, an experience that I've always wanted to do that I've never done before until right now. This is going to be a back trading marathon. Now, what exactly is back trading? Well, that's where I'm gonna take a stock chart, go back in time and trade it candle by candle, day by day, learn strategies, talk candle sentiment. It's gonna be one of the most incredible experiences as a trader you have ever been involved in. Now, very similar to an actual marathon, this is a paid product, paid event, and all proceeds are going to go to a local charity here in Nashville, Tennessee. All the details of this event are on the page below. I'm very excited about this. I want to see you there. And if you have any questions, just email me, Jeremy@reallifetrading.com. All right, guys, you're amazing. Have a great day.